Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, welcome. My name is Desiree, and in today I'll be showing you two simple French braids that I do on my hair. So what you'll need for this video is a spray bottle with water, some gel. I'm using an Eco Styler olive oil. That is my edge control brush. Gotta get these edges right. A toothbrush just in case that don't go right, a small comb, and my favorite white tooth comb. And I'm gonna get a brush, and then you're gonna see me take down my hair, and then I'm gonna remember that I forgot to grab some rubber bands. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and part my hair down the middle. And once I kind of get my hair parted down the middle into these two sides so that we got our foundation to start braiding, then I'm just gonna go ahead and put one side in a ponytail while I go ahead and detangle the other side. So I'm gonna spray that side with water, and then I'm going with my wide tooth comb and I'm gonna detangle that side. After detangling, I'm gonna go ahead and put gel around my edges, down my part, just so that we got that hair laid down. And y'all, don't judge me because I ain't that good at braiding, but I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get this braid started. And yeah, it's taken me a while to perfect my technique, but it's good enough for me to wear it to work and not have to comb my hair for a couple days. So yeah, it's good enough for me. And excuse the facial expressions because I had to concentrate. I was watching a movie, my husband was talking to me, like I had a bunch of stuff going on. And not to mention, like I said, hair ain't braid, so I'm a little tender headed, and yeah, life is rough when you're trying to braid your own hair. Once I'm done with this braid, then you'll see me go ahead and do the same exact thing you saw on this side to the other side. And don't forget to add your rubber band to the end to keep it secured, because my hair will unravel. And I'm just showing you all how the braid turned out. It looked a hot mess, but it was good enough to get me through for work. And I really don't do this style too often, but when I do, you know, it's gotta be up to par. So once again, we're detangling. Did y'all see those curls pop? A little bit of water go a long way with this hair. just added the gel around the base of my hair and brushed it down so that it's smooth, and then you're gonna see me start braiding like you saw on the first side. Once I'm done braiding, go ahead and add that rubber band to the ends. And yeah. We got it all pinned up and out of the way, and I'm loving how the back is looking, and I love how it stayed up and I didn't really have to repin it the whole time I wore it. So now you're just gonna see me go ahead and get my edges together, and I'm using Eco Styler gel to start. I know I did not show y'all that part off camera, but this is how my hair looked after I wrapped it. I used a little edge control. But yeah, this is the end of my video. So if you all have been here through my rambling, thank you. You're a real trooper. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at natural.desaray. And I'll see you all in my next video.